Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Iknoor World. If you want to see my more videos, travel videos and gameplays and toy reviews and also gadget reviews, then subscribe my channel Iknoor World. Let's start this video. 1, 2, 3, go! So today I'm unboxing LEGO Ninjago car. It's a car of Ninja. This is the front, this is the back, these are the sides, and it has small parts, so it's not recommended for babies under 3 years. Okay, so this is like type of the instruction type, and the price is AED 45. Or in Indian rupees, you can check here or somewhere in the screen. So, and I forgot it to tell that it's 6 plus. Okay, now let's open it. I'm super excited. Oh no. Okay.
One eternity later.
Meet you after some time. I got them back. That took a lot of time. These are all of the contents which were in the box. These are some big Lego pieces. These are small Lego pieces. This is a base plate of some sort, which looks very weird. And these are the stickers to put on the car. And these are the wheels, which I just lost. But I got them back. And manual. How many pages are these? 1 sec. This is 62 pages and 46 steps. Bye, have a great day. Oh my god, I have to build all of these. So now let me open it for you. Oh, how to open it?
One eternity later.
Okay, so I have to be very careful, otherwise the car will not be made. Very, very careful. Super duper very. Oh, one piece. Oh my god. Okay, so these are the big Lego pieces, which are looking very good, and the quality of them is great. I already have one car, as you can see, but that is made by me. But this is made with instructions. And now the small Lego pieces. I think I should keep them somewhere to just keep them safe. I got an idea. I can take this. Finally got it. Okay, come on. Slow. Yes, slow. Oh my god, these are very...
Oh no!
Nothing happened. These are very small pieces. Whoosh. Yes. Oh my god, there are even small studs. Wow. Hello. Oh my god, it's so much small. One thing I love about Lego is the quality. As you can see, so good quality. Very good. And they even gave a flute. No, that is not. Comment down below what is this, because it looks like a flute. Okay, and they even give katanas. Subscribe or I will hit you. So now I have to build it. Meet you after some time. And now it's done. Look at it, it's so cool. Drift. Now let me just pick it. Oh my god, one sec. And one more thing I noticed, that there are two sides of him, the angry side and the happy side. But I am going to stick with the angry side. Okay, let me just put it in. And I noticed one more thing, that they even gave a little tiny wheel for him. Can you see it? Oh, it's so tiny. And a sliding door mechanism. They even gave these type of stickers which you can just put them, and rocket katana launchers. And the spoiler is removable. Look at this, off-road mode and highway mode. And the tires are very good, very good. And there is even a little bit suspension. Look at this. It's so cute, right? It's so cute. Dun 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 dun. So that's it for this video. And I don't know why, but I'm in love with the Lego products. They are very smooth, stylish and very powerful. I bought this from Abu Dhabi, but I'll give the link of this product in the description below or in the pinned comment. So that's it for this video. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, or I will hit you with the katana that they gave me. Okay, bye bye. And follow me on Instagram, or the same thing will happen to you second time. Bye bye.